Okay, so let's continue with miscellaneous exercise. We are continuing with miscellaneous exercise 5. Already covered question number 15. Let us take question number 17. ABCD is a parallelogram. EF are the midpoints of BC and AD respectively. So here I am directly drawing the diagram over here. So in this question, given parallelogram is ABCD. So I am drawing one parallelogram over here. That is parallelogram ABCD. ठीक. And E and F are the midpoints of BC and AD. So for BC, midpoint is E. For AD, midpoint is F. Next, AECF meet the diagonal BD. So we have to draw diagonal BD. AE and CF meet this diagonal BD at Q and P respectively. So this is point Q and this is point P. Show that P and Q trisect DB. So here, show that P and Q trisect BD or DB. As mentioned DB, तो चलिए हम DB लिखते हैं. Now let us see the solution. Okay, so this is parallelogram ABCD. BD is the diagonal. E is midpoint of BC. F is midpoint of AD. And this AE meets BD in Q. CF or FC meets BD in P. And we have to prove that P and Q trisect DB. So we'll solve this question with the help of this position vectors. So now there are A, B, C, D, E, F points. Okay. So we'll mention that those points by position vector. So let A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, E bar, and EF bar be position vectors of A, B, C, D, E, F. Now since E is midpoint of BC. So given E is midpoint of BC, and therefore what we can say, E bar is equal to B bar plus C bar upon 2. So that is 2 E bar is equal to B bar plus C bar. So let us say that is first equation. Again, F is midpoint of AD. Okay, F is midpoint of AD. So also F is midpoint of AD. And therefore what we can say by midpoint formula, F bar is equal to A bar plus D bar divided by 2. It means 2F bar is equal to A bar plus D bar. That is equation 2. Now also we know that since this is a parallelogram, since A, B, C, D is parallelogram, therefore opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. So therefore we can say that BC bar is equal to AD bar. Now BC bar is nothing but C bar minus B bar, which is equal to AD bar is nothing but D bar minus A bar. ठीक. So we'll prepare one equation in terms of A, B, C, D here. We'll get one equation in terms of A, B, C, D. And that is what we can write this as minus B bar plus C bar is equal to D bar minus A bar. Let us say that is equation third. Now using this equation third with first one. See, first one is B bar plus C bar, and it is here it is minus B bar plus C bar. So if B bar and minus B bar, so if we are adding, so let us add this first one and third one. So adding first and third, what we get? See, B bar minus B bar कट होऊन जाणार C bar plus C bar म्हणजे तो होणार 2C bar is equal to इकडे 2C bar plus D bar minus 2E bar then plus D bar minus A bar. Clear? So we have added these two. So it becomes 2C bar is equal to 2E bar plus D bar minus A bar. Now we can also find out relation. अगर 2E bar हम इधर लेकर so it becomes 2 in brackets C bar minus E bar is equal to again D bar minus A bar. Clear up to this point? इथपर्यंत क्लिअर आहे का? Okay, so now this again represents one relation. So we'll give this as number 4 and then we'll subtract. Then we subtract third, subtracting third from 1. Subtracting third from 1. So you get what? B bar, and this is minus minus plus B bar. So B bar minus minus plus B bar. So it becomes 2B bar. Then C bar minus C bar. हे कट होऊन जाणार इक्वल टू इथं आहे 2E बार आणि या दोघं टर्म होणार मायनस म्हणजे 2E बार मायनस D बार E bar minus D bar plus A bar. So let us write down this as therefore 2B bar. Now see, we have to work out on BD diagonal. We have to work out on diagonal BD in the form B and D. So 2B bar minus D bar इकडे आला तो होणार plus D bar is equal to 2E bar plus A bar. ठीक? Now this can be written down in the form of section formula. This can be written down in the form of section formula. Section formula मध्ये जर मला लिहायचं असेल तर 2B bar plus 1D bar. Just a second. 2B bar plus 1D bar divided by 2 plus 1 is equal to 2E bar plus 1A bar divided by 2 plus 1. दोघं साइडला आपण 3 ने डिवाइड केलं पण लिहिताना 2 plus 1 लिहिलं. Now 2B bar plus 1D bar divided by 2 plus 1. So this is nothing but what? This particular point 2B plus 1D हा ट्रायसेट करतो आहे B आणि D मध्ये. B आणि D मध्ये Q बार जो आहे तो ट्रायसेट करणार DB ला. Q बार जो आहे तो DB ला ट्रायसेट करणार या ठिकाणी. So this is nothing but point Q bar. So therefore point Q, that is nothing but Q bar is a point which divides DB bar and AE bar internally in the ratio 2:1. ठीक, so that is point Q, because that is the point which is intersection of two lines BD आणि AE. बघा दोघांचा पॉईंट सेमच आला, BD चा सुद्धा आणि AE चा सुद्धा पॉईंट एकच आलेला आहे. दोघं पॉईंट इक्वल दाखवलेत आपण, दोघं वेक्टर इक्वल आहेत, म्हणजे हे दोघं ऍक्च्युली पॉईंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन कोण आहे, BD आणि AE चा. BD आणि AE, दिस इज BD, दिस इज AE. पॉईंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन इज Q. So therefore written Q divides DB bar and AE bar. हा आहे DB bar and this is AE bar. Internally in the ratio 2:1. Again 2:1 का तुम्ही बघू शकता MB bar plus NA bar divided by M plus N त्या फॉर्मॅट मध्ये. Similarly, we will get the same thing from another result by adding this second. We have worked now on first and third. त्यांच्यावर आपण काम केलं. आता आपण काम करणार सेकंड आणि थर्ड वर. सेकंड आणि थर्ड वर या पॉइंट साठी, पॉइंट P साठी. So let us work on second and third. So adding second and third, adding second and third, we get what? Second आणि third. इथं आहे A bar plus D bar. इकडे D bar minus A bar. This is 2F bar. सेकंड आणि थर्ड ऍड केल्यानंतर इथं 2F bar, देन मायनस B bar प्लस C bar. आपण लेफ्ट हँड साइडलाच घेऊयात, करता येताना दोघं साइडला इज इक्वल टू इथं A bar मायनस A bar कट होऊन जाणार, D bar प्लस D bar म्हणजे होणार 2D bar. मायनस B bar ची टर्म तिकडे नेणार, मग इथे येणार 2F bar प्लस C bar इक्वल टू 2D bar मायनस B bar तिकडे गेल्यानंतर तो होणार प्लस B bar. परत दोघांना आपण 2 आणि 2 प्लस 1 ने म्हणजे 3 ने डिवाइड करणार. सो इट इज 2F bar प्लस 1C bar डिवाइडेड बाय 2 प्लस 1, 2D bar प्लस 1B bar डिवाइडेड बाय 2 प्लस 1. ठीक. Now this 2F bar plus 1C bar, so it is basically point of intersection of CF. हा जो आहे ना, this means what? CF and BD intersect. दोघं पॉइंट इक्वल दाखवलेत आपण, म्हणजे दोघं पॉइंट जे आहेत हा एकच पॉइंट आहे मुळात. तसंच या ठिकाणी DB and AE intersect. So actually in this question they are show that P and Q trisect DB. DB म्हणा किंवा तुम्ही अजून याला असंही म्हणू शकता आपण, फक्त DB लाच नाही, ते AE आणि CF यांना सुद्धा ट्रायसेट करतात. AE आणि CF ला सुद्धा, हे दोघं पॉइंट P आणि Q. DB सोबत AE आला अगोदरच्या केसमध्ये, बघा DB सोबत AE आलेला आहे पहिल्या केसमध्ये. दुसऱ्या केसमध्ये DB सोबत आता CF पण येणार, हा पॉइंट P साठी. ठीक, तर इथं असं येऊ शकतं DB, AE अँड CF हे सुद्धा ते क्वेश्चन मध्ये इन्क्लूड करू शकतात. Now in this case, therefore point P, that is P bar, is a point which divides CF bar and BD bar in the ratio 2:1. व्हिडिओ तर क्लिअर असायला पाहिजे. आता रायटिंग करून घ्या एकदा, रायटिंग लगेच करायचं, नो स्क्रीनशॉट. Dot product of a vector with vectors is given and find the vector. Okay. So dot product of a certain vector with three different vectors is given in this case. And it is given as -1, 6, and 5. Now we have to find out the vector. So let us say, let R bar, which is equal to x I cap, y j cap plus z k cap, be the required vector. Okay, be the required vector. And given vectors are also, let A bar, that is the first vector, first given vector, it is 3i minus 5k. 3i minus 5k. B bar, second given vector, 2i plus 7j. C bar, third given vector, ijk. Okay. And given is, so there are three things given: product of R bar with A bar, product of R bar with B bar, product of R bar with C bar, and which product? Dot product. So given is what? R bar dot A bar is equal to -1. Also given R bar dot B bar is equal to 6. And R bar dot C bar is equal to 5. And in this case, we have to find R bar. Okay. Now using this 1 by 1 condition, R bar dot A bar equal to 1. So R bar dot A bar equal to, sorry, -1. Now R bar dot A bar is what? See, R bar is here, x into 3. 3x, then y into 0. J cap component is absent over here. Okay, so y into 0, it is 0. Z into -5, that is -5z is equal to -1. So that is first equation. Using the second thing, that is R bar dot B bar equal to 6. So x into 2, that is 2x. Y into 7, that is 7y. And z into 0, that is 0, is equal to 6. So this is second. Third one, R bar dot C bar is given as 5. So x into 1, that is x, y into 1, that is y, z into 1, that is z.